Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to hide and unhide games on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access the home screen, and then press the Xbox button on your controller to access this menu, and then select My Games and Apps, choose that, and then also select See All Games. Now from here, you cannot hide installed games on your Xbox Series X. So if you want to hide this particular game, it's impossible. But if you want to hide it, you can simply uninstall it, and that particular game will be removed from the Xbox and will be hidden. However, if you want to hide from your library, scroll down and select Full Library to access all the games that you have or had on your library, and then find the game you'd like to hide. So for instance, if I want to hide Among Us, highlight on it, and then press the button with the 3 lines on your controller to access this menu, and then you should see the option Hide from List. So select that, and then you'll be asked, would you like to hide this game? So select on Hide, and that game will be hidden. So repeat the same process with all the games that you'd like to hide. So for instance, if I want to hide this game, highlight on it, and then press the menu button on your controller, and then from the menu that appears, simply select Hide from List, and then choose Hide, and that game will be hidden. Now, if you want to access or to find these hidden games, ensure that you're on the Full Library section, and then you'll see a drop-down menu just beneath the All Games section. Select on that drop-down menu, and then scroll down, and you'll find the Hidden section. So select that, and you can now see all the games that you have currently hidden from the Xbox Series X. So if you want to unhide it, let's say for example, if I want to unhide this game, simply highlight on it and press the menu button on your controller, and then from the options that appear, select Unhide from List, and that given game will be unhidden. So that's basically it on how to unhide and unhide games on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.